The three-wheeler and last-mile mobility space has been so far dominated by big players like Mahindra, Piaggio and Bajaj to name a few. But lately, the advent of electric vehicles has made room for quite a few new players as well. Electric rickshaws carrying people is very common these days, and now we'll see electric three-wheelers freighting goods in our cities. Euler Motors is one such new entrant in our market which is exploring this space with its new high-load electric three-wheelers. On Car and Bike, you have seen us talking about cars, motorcycles and even trucks. But for the first time, we will be talking about a three-wheeler, and that too an electric three-wheeler. Let's get to the details. Now, Euler Motors has particularly chosen the three-wheeler segment first, as the company sees more opportunity in this space, given there aren't many players still. Then, three-wheelers are probably the most frugal and easy to drive mode of transport for freighting goods in the city, given their small footprint. Euler HiLoad electric three-wheelers are specifically designed for business that require intra-city movement of goods. The electric three-wheelers are offered with 4 different types of carriers. Flatbed, that's been priced at 3,75,000 rupees. Pickup van, that will cost you 3,80,000 rupees. Delivery van available at 4 lakh rupees, and high-tech, which is yet to be launched. Now the company says that a lot of focus has gone on maintaining the quality and standards of their three-wheelers, and they have tested it quite extensively, around 30 lakh kilometers. And that starts with the body itself, the cabin body. This has a thickness of around 0.16 millimeter, and this is a double sheet cabin. And for the container area, you have a thickness of 1.50 millimeter for obvious reasons. This has to carry more load and sharper objects. Now the idea is to offer you something which is equivalent to or at par with a diesel offering that you get in the market. The inside area is what you see in a typical three-wheeler. There's a bottle holder, USB charging port and a phone holder mounted on the handle so that the driver can follow the navigation guidelines. There are also projector headlights for low beam, and the basic safety standard for an EV has been followed as well. Now coming to the part that makes it electric, the battery pack. This is the IP67 certified battery pack, so it's dust proof and waterproof, and it's a 12.4 kilowatt unit with a 72 volt motor. Now this battery pack can be charged for around 50% using this fast charger in around 15 minutes, and for a full charge it will take around 3.5 to 4 hours using this AC charger. And for the first time, the battery pack is liquid cooled. That's a segment first. And now let's get this one moving and see how different it feels. Now driving an electric three-wheeler is a first for me, and it didn't take me much time to get used to. Actually, it's quite fun, and the company says that everything has been designed keeping driver at the center, so the entire windscreen, the view is quite good. And this one has got bigger fat tires, so all these bumps and all, they say that they are quite contained, but I am feeling most of it. And this one has got disc brakes at the front also, so the braking could have been a bit better, but it's adequate for a three-wheeler. The top speed this one can claim is of around 42 km per hour, and that can be reduced if you want to enhance the range. The range that you get is around 100 kilometers. Now that's not the only product Euler Motors will be offering. The company is also planning an electric light commercial vehicle. However, its launch timeline is not finalized yet. Then, the company is also planning expanding its reach beyond Delhi NCR to over 25 cities across the country, and will be soon offering its products in Bangalore as well. Recently, it also bagged 1,000 orders from EV deployer Moevi.